Hi guys, I'm Alex and today I want to show you how to build a bag like this one. It's made with bike tubes and had a bunch of them, and I wanted to make a nice bag for a friend. I decided to paint it as a clapperboard because my friend is studying cinema production. I hope that you like it and you want to see the video of the construction and maybe build it. So let's do it! To make the clapperboard bag, I use 2 bike tubes, and at the beginning you only need a scissor. The pieces that I'm cutting are around 12 inches long. It doesn't matter if the pieces are not really flat, I just sew them and I cut them after that I finish the sewing process. My advice after that you cut them is to clean them because they are really dirty inside. Once that you have 2 big pieces, you sew the zipper on both sides, and since it's rubber and it doesn't fray, we don't need to put anything and we just sew it. Now you can cut the sides of the bag at the measurement that you want. Before to sew everything together, remember to put the zipper pull inside of the zipper, because otherwise it's a real mess. Don't forget to burn the side of the zipper, otherwise it will fray, and we don't want it. As you can see, the bag now is reversed, and we are only sewing the sides and then put some painting. It's time to reverse the bag, and I think it came pretty nice, but now we have to paint it. To mask the bag, you can use any tape. I used the aluminum one because the grip is very strong and the paper one wasn't working. I used enamel painting, but I think that you can use also other kind of painting. That you paint all the bag, you have to wait for a lot of days. Mine, after 4 days, wasn't ready yet. satisfying part when you have to remove the tape and see your job done. So satisfying. If you messed up something, as I did during the process of painting, you can always use some solvent to fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click the like button, write a comment and subscribe to my channel. It's very important to me know if you like the video or not, and please tell me if you didn't understand something or if you would like to see something else in my videos in the future. So see you in the next video. Bye.